joint assembly lines. You have already spoken about it, and I think this will be one of our key areas to really promote. And textile, we have just spoken. Minister of Commerce has discussed this matter this morning, and we'll be very happy to send our delegation. And this will be B2B, business to business, between the two countries. And Pakistan has great expertise in this field. Electric vehicles, public transport has always been a passion with my brother Nawaz Sharif, with me, and under his leadership, we have had wonderful public transport projects in Pakistan. In this case, electric buses, I think, is the need of the hour. So again, this brings the two countries closer for monumental cooperation in time to come. And of course, quality infant food and high quality medicines. And this is again your specialty, education and research and development. And this was all replicated here in Belarus in those days. And then you have carried this flagship projects under your leadership. So I think these are the areas again which can really further enhance our cooperation. In the areas of defense cooperation, it's already, there is a mechanism there, and we'll be very happy to further enhance our cooperation. And in conclusion, I would like to request my honourable colleagues that here is an opportunity, and a golden opportunity, and a real opportunity, and an opportunity I know where you will be providing full support along with your team. Now it's up to us to really take up this challenge and convert into an opportunity for our future generations to really strengthen Pakistan's economy and joint cooperation between these two great countries. And I think the foundation was rightly laid by you and my brother Nawaz Sharif. And I promise you, I will take this as a mission, work very closely with you. I think it's a great day in our friendship. Let's celebrate this great day by hard work, and hard work.